Hi beautiful people, in this video I share with you how we fixed my halogen oven. It's not been working for more than a year now. The bulb, anytime you put it on, the light doesn't come on. So we realized that it was the bulb that was damaged, so we decided to buy some of the bulb and then replace it. We got it from aliexpress, but I'm sure you can get it from Amazon. So when he opened it to this part, I thought that he was just going to change the bulb, but then he says that he has to open everything. Because if you just join the cord from this point, cut and join, you are likely to you can cause fire, you can catch fire. So he has to open it. I would say that if you do not have the tools at home and you are going to fix it outside, this didn't take long at all. So kindly sit there and watch them do it. Make sure that they don't cut the cord and join. Let them open it up and then fix it. He happens to have all these tools because he really likes assembling things. Okay, you can go out and buy stuff and you ask you whether you have the one that is in the box that has not been assembled, then he come home and come and assemble it. So he sort of has these tools handy at home. Yeah, so I just thought I should share for anybody who might need it, and for anybody whose halogen oven is not working, just know that you can actually fix this at home, or you can just get the lights and then let them fix it. So I'll leave it for you to observe, as and when I need to come in, I'll just come in and share. So when he got to this point, there are a number of cords that are joined here, and he will need to, and they were tied by a certain, not rope, but certain thing that he was trying to open it, but it wasn't opening. So he decided to cut it. Okay, they were all tied together. So now that he's cut it, he added the new bulb by the old one, so that you'll be able to identify exactly where the old cord, he will take the old cord and then introduce the new one. So that's what he's doing here. You can see that there are two bulbs now. So he actually took the cord of the old bulb out and then joined the new one to it, and he's now putting it exactly where the old one came from. And whatever he tied, the cord that he cut, okay, that he was not able to open manually but had to cut, he would use a rubber band to tie all the cords together. So this is a bit technical, but I'm sure for people who are very they know how to fix some of these things, they'll figure it out. Like, I mean, this video is specifically for people who may need to fix their halogen oven, so I'm sure they'll definitely you definitely get it. So yes, kindly observe, and then I'll come in when I have to. Okay, so this is the rubber band I was talking about. So he just used that to sort of tie all the cords together, and then now he's just coming to close them up again. So whatever thing he opened up from the beginning. This is just closing them up. So I'm sure once you observe it, you'll be able to figure it out.